These five simple words will instantly make you sound more natural, and most English learners have never heard of them. By the end of this video, you will sound 50% more natural. In just 10 minutes, you will master words that took me years to discover. You study grammar, memorize vocabulary, but you still sound robotic. I see this 90% of my English students. They know perfect grammar but sound like textbooks talking. Today's five magic words are different. They are conversation glue. They connect your thoughts naturally. We will practice each word with shadowing. I'll answer your questions and give you a fun challenge that will transform how you speak. Magic word number one will shock you. It's actually, but not how you think. This word appears 47 times in every Hollywood movie. Native speakers don't use it for facts, they use it to sound thoughtful and natural. I actually love pizza. Actually, I think you are right. That's actually pretty cool. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Actually, I actually like it. Actually, that's a great idea. Don't say in actual fact. That's textbook English. Just actually. Keep it simple. Use actually in your sentence. Try it now. Quick question before we continue. Which word sounds most familiar to you? Comment below right now. I read every single comment. Magic word number two. I mean, I mean. This gives you thinking time just like native speakers. Native speakers use this every 2 minutes. It's not about definitions, it's about natural flow. I mean, it's okay. I mean, what do you think? It's hard. I mean, really hard. Your turn. Listen and repeat. I mean. I mean, it's good. It's expensive. I mean, really expensive. Don't overuse it. Once per sentence maximum. Too much sounds weird. Word number three will change everything. You know. You know. This creates connection with your listener. Most English courses never teach this, but you are now part of the 5% who know this secret. It's cold, you know. You know what I mean? I was tired, you know. Let's practice together. You know. It's hard, you know. I was thinking, maybe we could go. Don't say, do you know, when you mean you know. Completely different. Try this. English is fun, you know. Feel the difference. Someone asked yesterday, can I use these informal situations? Great question. Use them in casual conversations first. Master the natural flow, then adapt. Magic word 4. Well. This make you sound thoughtful, not rushed. From textbook English to natural conversation, this is your bridge word. Well, I think so. Well, actually, it's complicated. Practice with me. Well, maybe. Well, I mean, it depends. Don't make it too long. Well, sounds strange. Keep it short and natural. Answer this. Do you like pizza? Start with, well, I love pizza. Before we reveal word number 5, which word will you try today? Let me know in the comments. The final magic word is so. This connects your thoughts like native speakers. This appears in every single natural conversation. It's conversation glue. So, how was your day? I was tired, so I went home. So, anyway, let's practice together. So, so what happened? I was busy, so I couldn't call. Don't start every sentence with so. Mix it up naturally. Connect these ideas. I studied hard. Plus, I passed the test using so. Here's your 24-hour challenge. Use all 5 words in real conversations today. Comment your favorite word plus where you used it. Actually, these words well, so you are ready. See what I did there?